Hiro right now is prepping for this cool video. We're doing a 10 California roll challenge. And this is going to go out to everyone out there, professional and non-professional. You're going to be making 10 California rolls. The way he's doing it, set it up on a plate of some type. And then if you can beat his time of 10 California rolls, then how much are you going to give? $250 in cash, a brand new Minono Kuni knife, and a sharpener too, right? A knife sharpener?
What, the stone?
Yeah, stone. That's going to be the giveaway. So $250 in cash, brand new knife, and a sharpener. It's worth about $500 for everything.
250
in cash?
Cash?
Yeah. Little cash prize.
Okay.
Your knife signed, and then a sharpening stone.
Cash plus knife and the sharpening stone.
Yeah, sharpening stone. It's about $500 worth of stuff. But anyway, the challenge is going to be this: whoever you can do it. The ingredients.
The sharpening stone sells is $60, $70.
Yeah, it's a great value.
It's gonna be more than $250 cash plus, right?
Yeah, plus all that. It's going to be a great deal. So your California roll has to have the rice, half a sheet of nori, which is a seaweed. You're going to sprinkle up some toasted sesame seeds. You're going to insert one piece of crab stick on each end, so it's 2 pieces per roll. And then you're going to have 2 pieces of avocado.
Yeah, probably 2 is not enough. It's 2 is not covered up, so maybe 3.
3 pieces of avocado?
Yeah, that's what I
Okay, so it's more specific. 3 slices of avocado.
Yeah, but it depends on...
No, this is the thing, Hiro, because you're making the rules now. No, you're making the rules, it's going to be this. Exactly what you're doing, it's got to be duplicated the same way. Because if someone uses a Florida avocado, 2 slices is enough. No, it's going to be 3 slices. So you're able to prep everything in advance. It's going to be 3 slices, okay? Because it's got to look good for the customer. You know, yeah, this is really...
Even this avocado's size is different.
Oh, this is Haas, so most people can get Haas avocado.
Yeah, but
the problem is getting a Florida avocado.
Large one they have to.
So if you say three pieces, 3 pieces per roll, you have to make the rules up now. 3 pieces. All I'm thinking about is how many California rolls we're gonna eat for lunch today, Hiro.
Yeah, but some cases maybe you can put it 4.
Just say 3. 3 for that, because this is a time challenge, so it's going to be very specific. 2 pieces of crab stick, 3 slices of avocado in each roll. Okay.
Crab stick is the same size, but avocado is not the same size.
Well, let them cut. Let the people cut. If it's 3 slices, 3 slices. That's what you have to determine. 3 slices of avocado. So this is your size. If people's avocado is bigger or smaller, cut it down to size. 3 pieces of 3 pieces. Because when you cut the avocado, when you cut the roll in the middle, there's no avocado in the middle. It looks like it's empty. It looks like there's no filling in there, except for, even the crab stick is right down the middle. There's nothing inside the roll. You want to fill it and make it look attractive to the customer. So this is going to be coming up soon, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Start practicing, as you have a head start now to get this main prize, $250 in cash, a knife by Hiro, signed by Hiro, and as well a sharpening stone. All right, let's check back with Hiro later. Thanks, Hiro. Hey, just finished this California roll, 10 California roll challenge, and I just had a piece. I'm gonna have another piece. Let me tell you, this thing is so nice. Rice is so soft and fresh. Can you guys see it better? So good. Hiro.
Yes.
It's a lot of rolls. Glad I took my medication this morning.
Too much.
Oh.
It's okay.
You only live once, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Once.
I love California roll. Just with the Haas avocado and crab meat. Forget the cucumber. Cucumber, again, I don't know if you've heard me say this. It's a cheap additive because avocado is so expensive. It's a filler and it's crunchy. No, California is supposed to be smooth. Before they used to put crab meat, they used to put tuna, like toro in there. And it was too expensive, so they went this route. That's what it says in the history books. Thank you, Hiro. And that's where the California roll originated from. So you think you could have done faster, huh?
Yeah, everybody can be faster than.
His time was
Okay.
8 minutes and 20 something seconds for 10 California rolls. And at the end you were averaging much faster, maybe 30 seconds. It went from a minute down to 40 seconds or so. In the beginning, you know, a little bit longer, but you guys will see the video coming soon. Meanwhile, we wish we had someone to share this with, huh, Hiro? I can't eat that much. So good. My goodness, how many rolls are here left? Let's see, 1, 2, 3. 3 rolls left. Hiro, you and I, we ate 7 California rolls
7 California roll?
between you and me.
3.5. Yeah, it's
That's a lot. Oh, my stomach is filled. But more importantly, Hiro, we want to show everybody what they have a chance to win. Giveaways are fun, but now that we're doing a giveaway for something you can earn, you want to show them that knife? That's a knife that you're going to be giving away. That's signed. It's a 240 millimeter Ome. Really nice. And then this is your sharpening stone.
Yeah, this is 3,000. More likely for make it shiny.
Yeah. Brand new in the box.
Yeah. I never use it, so.
So that's what you guys can win. This knife and that stone plus 250 in cash, plus be featured on Hiro's main channel. Okay. Hope you guys can do it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.